Okay, let's have a look at the question. Six mobsters have arrived at the theater for the premiere of the film Good Buddies. One of the mobsters, Frankie, is an informer, as he's afraid that another member of his crew, that's nothing but Joy, is onto him. Frankie, wanting to keep Joy in his sights, insists upon standing behind Joy in a line at a concession stand, though not necessarily right behind him. How many ways can the six arrange themselves in line such that the Frankie's requirement is satisfied? They have told six mobsters have to be arranged. Six mobsters has to be arranged. So I can say that six mobsters can be arranged in 6 factorial ways. 6 factorial ways. What is it? That's nothing but 720. 720 ways. Right? This is without any condition. This is without any condition. I can say that 720 is the final one. That's the top one. It means here they have given the condition. The answer should be less than or equal to 720. So actually it is less than. So I can say D is not the answer option. So which among the following is the answer option? So six people can be arranged in 6 factorial ways. Yes, what is the answer then? If Frankie wants Joy to be in front of him always. Always. Now, if I'm going to talk about this six people standing in a line here, six. Now I can see in the first case, Joy can be here, Frankie can be anywhere. Frankie can be anyone among this. That's a possibility. This is the first one. Okay. The second one, Frankie can be, Joy can be here, but Frankie can be over here. He cannot go forward. Frankie can be anywhere here. This anyone among, but Frankie cannot be in front. Next, when Joy is here, Frankie has 3 possibilities. And when Joy is here, Frankie has 2 possibilities. And when Joy is here, Frankie has only 1 possibility. These are the arrangements, possible arrangements. Yes, how we are going to tackle those things. So we have got 5 positions for Joy. 5 different positions for Joy. So what happens when Joy is at the first position? Frankie has 5 possibilities. Frankie has 5 possibilities, and the remaining people, they can arrange themselves in 4 factorial ways. So I can say it is 5 into 4 factorial. That's the first one. The second one, Joy is sitting in the second position, and Frankie can have only 4 possibilities. The remaining people can be done in 4 factorial ways. That is nothing but 4 into 4 factorial. The next one, Joy is in third position. Frankie can be seated in any of the 3. That is nothing but 3 into 4 factorial. Next 2 into 4 factorial. Next 1 into 4 factorial. Joy's position is having only 1. Joy has only 1 possibility. Frankie has 5 possibility, and the remaining 4 people, Frankie has 5 possibility, and remaining 4 people can arrange themselves in 4 factorial ways. This is the first possibility when Joy is at front. When Joy is at this position, Joy has only 1 possibility. Frankie can be seated in 4 possibility, and remaining 4 people can arrange themselves in 4 factorial ways. Next, this one, Joy has again 1, Frankie has 3, and remaining 4 people in 4 factorial ways. Similarly, 1 into 2 into 4 factorial. Similarly, 1 into 1 into 4 factorial. That is nothing but 1 into 4 factorial plus 2 into 4 factorial plus 3 into 4 factorial plus 4 into 4 factorial plus 5 into 4 factorial. That is nothing but 4 factorial into 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. So the total possibility is 4 factorial into 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5. 4 factorial into 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. That is nothing but 4 factorial into 15. 4 factorial is 24. 24 into 15 gives 360. So the answer is 360 here. Yes, how can you solve this particular problem in just 10 seconds? Yes, the first hint I can say that 6 people can be arranged in 6 factorial ways. That is the total possibility. Now, based on the question condition, how we are going to get the answer? What are the possible positions? Guys, please understand. What are the possible positions of Joy and Frankie in this case? If I'm talking about the total possibility, total arrangements, I can say Joy can be in front of Frankie or Joy can be behind Frankie. That's the only position. Joy and Frankie cannot be together, right? Right. There are only two positions with respect to Joy and Frankie. The positions possible are Joy can be in front of Frankie and Joy can be behind Frankie. So if I'm going to talk about the total possibilities, I can say in 50% of the possibilities, Joy can be in front of Frankie and other 50% Joy can be behind Frankie. Now they are asking how many cases Joy can be in front of Frankie. That is nothing but 50%. So I can say that is half of 720, which is nothing but 360 is the answer. Position of Joy as well as Frankie in front is 50% and behind is 50%. So I can say that it is 50% of 720. That's nothing but half of 720. The answer is 360. Thanks for watching. And for more updates on similar videos, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.